Dad, I really miss you. Everyone's playing with me, with my feelings. I don't know what to do anymore. Please help me.
I know I messed up.
Dad?
I wish I was there for you. I left too early.
Dad, everything's a mess. I don't know what to do with my life sometimes. I don't know why I exist.
Life has its ups and downs. I wish I was there for you, to support you, to be there for you, to protect you. But the circumstances made things impossible.
It's like I shouldn't even exist. I'm so confused.
First of all, you have to understand that life has a lot of challenges. You have to understand that there's gonna be people, like friends, that's gonna try to bring you places that you don't wanna go. You have to understand how to deal with these friends. These friends are gonna be cool with you one minute, the next minute they're gonna betray you. You have to learn how to deal with all the ups and downs that life brings to you.
But they tell me that you have to have money to have a good life, to be happy.
As you grow up, you'll see that money is not the most important thing. You'll understand that the most important things in life is love and family. If you don't have love and family, you're gonna be lost. Knowledge is key, and failure will help you grow. And if you don't learn from your failures, you're gonna stay at the bottom.
But how am I supposed to do that if you're not here?
Your determination will help you. And the last important thing, I want you to give yourself more dignity than the amount of money that they'll give you to touch it. You have to treat yourself with respect, and your first love will probably break your heart, but you'll get through it. I want you to promise me something.
What?
Even if you don't take a man that I like, please, please don't take a man that's like me.
But you're perfect for me.
Just promise me.
I won't. I miss you so much, Dad.
Even if I'm not there physically, I'll always be there in your heart.
Thank you for everything. I love you, Dad.
Love you too, Jade.
Meu diploma,